Dear friends, today's tale will suck you right into the world of invention and innovation. We're about to embark on a quick journey through time to explore the origins of a contraption that has revolutionized our homes: the vacuum cleaner. Picture this. It's the late 19th century, a time when dirt and dust ruled supreme in households everywhere. Sweeping and beating rugs was the norm, and it was a dusty and laborious task indeed. Our story begins with a brilliant inventor by the name of Daniel Hess. He's not a household name like Edison or Tesla, but his contribution to our domestic comfort is nothing short of legendary. Hess hailed from Iowa, USA, and in 1860, he patented what he called a carpet sweeper. This early version of the vacuum cleaner didn't have the sleek, high-powered look we associate with modern vacuums. Instead, it was a simple, hand-cranked contraption that relied on bellows to create suction. While it may have been basic, it was a glimpse into a cleaner future. Fast forward to the early 20th century, and we find ourselves in the company of an ingenious janitor named James Murray Spangler. Mr. Spangler worked in a department store in Canton, Ohio, and he was well acquainted with the frustrations of trying to keep floors spick and span. So, what did he do? He took his passion for cleanliness and his knack for tinkering and put them to good use. Spangler combined a soapbox, a fan, a broom handle, and a pillowcase to create the first ever portable electric suction sweeper. Sure, it was a bit unwieldy, and it didn't exactly resemble the sleek machines we have today, but it worked like a charm. Spangler's invention caught the eye of his cousin, Susan Hoover. Yes, that Hoover. Susan's husband, William Henry Hoover, saw the potential and soon started manufacturing and marketing the Hoover Model O, which became a huge hit in the early 20th century. The vacuum cleaner was catching on, but it was still a luxury item for most households. It wasn't until the 1930s and 40s that vacuum cleaners began to become more affordable and widely accessible. Innovations like disposable bags, better filtration systems, and lighter materials made vacuuming a breeze for the average Joe and Jane. Now, let's not forget about Sir James Dyson, a modern-day inventor with a knack for improving upon the classics. In the late 1970s, Dyson grew frustrated with his traditional vacuum cleaner's tendency to lose suction power as it filled with dirt. Like a mad scientist, he set to work, and after 5,127 prototypes, he finally cracked the code. Dyson's bagless vacuum cleaner, with its cyclonic separation technology, revolutionized the industry and became a staple in households worldwide. And there you have it, folks. The vacuum cleaner, from humble beginnings with Daniel Hess's carpet sweeper to James Murray Spangler's electric suction sweeper and the modern marvels created by the likes of Hoover and Dyson, has come a long way. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our never-ending quest for cleaner, more convenient homes. So, the next time you fire up your sleek, high-powered vacuum cleaner and effortlessly rid your living space of dirt and dust, remember the inventors and innovators who made it all possible. From simple beginnings to sophisticated machines, the vacuum cleaner has indeed sucked its way into our hearts and homes.